If you are new to my channel, my name is Pamela Nauta with eXp Realty, and I cover new home developments here in the beautiful state of Colorado. And if you like this video, like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll continue pushing out more videos to keep you informed on the Denver real estate market. And this is the Richmond Home Soho model. It's a 3-story single-family house that has an alley-load 2-car garage, a beautiful rooftop patio, and a bathroom and bedroom on the main floor. There are some structural options to choose from, but overall you are looking at around 1,710 square feet and 2 to 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. And Richmond Homes is releasing a few homes every month. So if you are interested, reach out to me now and let's start the conversation of building your new home at Red Maple Ridge at Copperleaf. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out and like, subscribe, and comment. Enjoy the tour.